Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to detail your vehicle's interior. Today, we'll be detailing the interior in a 2006 Toyota Camry, and procedures will be similar for most vehicles. Remember that regardless of which cleaners and cleaning techniques you choose to use, you need to test each of them in an area that's less noticeable to make sure no discoloration occurs before proceeding. And always follow the instructions for your specific cleaning supplies. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open up the vehicle and remove any and all personal items that would get in the way of cleaning, including floor mats if your vehicle has them. If you have pets or need to work hair out of the carpet, use a pet hair remover by agitating the surface with short, brisk strokes until the hair can be collected and removed. If you have an air compressor, you can use it to loosen dirt from carpets and seats before vacuuming if desired. Now vacuum the floors, seats, corners, and crevices using attachments to access harder-to-reach areas. If you want to make it easier to clean under your front seats and give yourself a little more room to work, you can remove those seats from the vehicle. In our Camry, we have 2 bolts securing them in the back, 2 bolts in the front, and 3 wiring harnesses underneath. Once everything in the interior is thoroughly vacuumed, use your dash duster to wipe down the hard surfaces, dashboard, console, door panels, and any other hard plastic surfaces. Use detailing brushes to gently remove light dust and particulate from delicate areas like the instrument cluster, infotainment screens, or piano black trim. Once loose dust and dirt have been removed, spray on your interior surface cleaner and use microfiber towels to clean those surfaces further, paying closer attention to areas where there's stubborn dirt or grime. Our Chemical Guys cleaner is safe to use on any interior surface, but again, be sure to test your cleaner on an area that's less noticeable to make sure no discoloration occurs. For GPS, LCD, clear plastics, navigation screens, and electronics, mist the cleaner directly onto a microfiber towel to avoid overspray, and buff away streaks or blot fabrics dry with a separate clean microfiber towel. Keep a supply of extra microfiber towels on hand, and only wipe down surfaces with a clean towel, switching out soiled towels as often as necessary. You can also use your detailing brushes with the interior cleaner if needed to release stubborn dirt and debris from textured plastic, leather, or hard-to-reach areas. Use detailing swabs to clean extremely hard-to-reach spots and super tight areas or crevices. Once all the hard surfaces look good, it's time to clean any vinyl or leather. Just be sure never to use harsh chemicals that will damage leather. Spray your cleaner directly onto the surfaces, and use microfiber towels to wipe them clean. If you have cloth seats, spray the cleaner directly onto the surfaces, and use a microfiber towel or brush to scrub out the dirt and grime. Once you've finished with your seats, you're ready to clean the carpets. Shake your can of carpet cleaner well, and spray it evenly onto the carpet. Rub the foam into the carpet fibers with a carpet brush until the foam disappears. For areas where you have more soil or stains, let the foam sit for up to a minute before scrubbing, and repeat the process as needed to remove tougher stains. Once each section is clean, wipe it with a clean microfiber towel. If you want to save yourself some scrubbing, or have stains that are extra tough, try interior carpet drill brushes, a set of medium-duty nylon brushes that attach directly to your drill. You can use these to help clean any of your interior carpets, including footwells, floor liners, or mats, and they also work great for scrubbing rubber floor mats. Check your headliner to see if it needs to be cleaned as well. Lastly, if you have floor mats, you can clean them using the same procedure as your interior carpets. Once all the carpets and upholstery have been cleaned, wait for them to dry and then vacuum them one last time. Now for the finishing touches. Use an automotive glass cleaner to clean the windows and rear view mirror. Put your floor mats back, and reinstall your front seats if you remove them to detail underneath. Use interior dressing or protectant to condition vinyl, leather, and hard surfaces. For the clean car smell, consider using an air freshener or ozone treatment. Replace any personal items you may have removed for detailing. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.